Hi friends, I'm Maya and this is Robo. Welcome back to our AI adventure. Last time we learned how AI learns by studying millions of labeled examples, guessing, getting corrected, and adjusting billions of times over. Today we are cracking open the AI's brain. What on earth is a neural network? Robo, show them. Right now, inside your skull, something extraordinary is happening. About 86 billion tiny cells called neurons are firing little electrical sparks at each other, billions of times per second. They're gossiping, sharing clues, building thoughts, and one day, a group of very curious scientists looked at all of this and thought, what if we could build that, but inside a computer? That question sparked one of the greatest ideas in all of science, the neural network. A neural network is an AI system built to loosely copy how your brain works. Not perfectly, not even close, but just enough to be absolutely remarkable. To understand it, we first need a quick tour inside your head. A neuron receives a signal from its neighbors. Maybe you just heard a loud sound or smelled something delicious. If the signal is strong enough, the neuron fires. It sends an electrical zap down the line to the next neuron. That neuron tells the next one and the next, like a row of dominoes falling, carrying your thought forward. At the end of the chain, a decision. That smells like pizza. I want some right now. Now, here's the wild part. Every single thing you have ever learned, riding a bike, knowing your timetables, recognizing your best friend's face, is just neurons building stronger connections with each other. The more you practice something, the thicker and faster those connections become. Your brain is literally being rewired every time you learn something new. How cool is that? Now, scientists took this idea and built an artificial version. Instead of squishy biological neurons, they used maths. Instead of electrical sparks, they used numbers. And instead of a brain inside a skull, they put it all inside a computer. The result? An artificial neural network. Now, input layer where information enters, pixels of an image, letters of a word, sounds of your voice. Hidden layers, the thinking part, signals bounce between millions of artificial neurons, each passing nodes to the next. Output layer, the final answer pops out here. It's a cat. The next word is happy. Turn left. Those hidden layers in the middle are where the real magic happens. And they are called hidden because, honestly, even the scientists who build them don't always know exactly what's going on in there. The network figures out on its own to solve the problem step by step, layer by layer. Think about learning guitar. At first, your fingers have absolutely no idea where to go. But the more you practice, the more your neurons wire themselves together until one day your hand just knows the chord without you even thinking. That's your hidden layers doing their job. AI builds the exact same kind of muscle memory, just with numbers instead of fingers. Here's another brilliant thing the brain does that AI copied. Not all connections are equal. Some connections in your brain are thick and strong. Things you have practiced lots, like reading. Others are thin and weak. Things you only did once. AI works exactly the same way. Pointy ears, very strong. Whiskers, very strong. Fluffy tail, medium. Has wheels, very weak. This is why going over things again works. Every time you revisit something you have already learned, rereading a chapter, practicing a sum, running a drill, your brain thickens that connection, like adding an extra lane to a busy road. Things get faster and easier. AI does the same thing over billions of repetitions. The shortcut for both of you is simply do it again. Modern AI networks don't have 86 billion neurons like yours, but the biggest ones come surprisingly close. The most powerful AI systems are thought to have around 1 trillion connections. That's more than 10 times the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, all inside a computer, all passing tiny numbers back and forth billions of times a second. Now you already have a neural network. It's sitting right inside your head and it's been learning since the day you were born. The difference? AI needed trillions of connections and billions of rounds of practice just to recognize a cat. You figured that out as a toddler in an afternoon and moved on to harder things. You're so clever. Never forget that. Inspired by you, neural networks are modeled on the real neurons inside your brain. Layers of thinking, input, hidden layers, output, signals passing through each stage, strong connection when. The more you practice, the stronger the connection for AI and for you. AI can be incredibly smart, but also hilariously embarrassingly wrong. We discover what AI is genuinely brilliant at, what makes it totally hopeless, and why it once confidently told someone a penguin was a smartly dressed dog. We'll learn this in the next episode. For now, stay tuned.